morning everyone. As you all know that air pollution is one of the most pressing issues that we have in our contemporary times. Air pollution is the release of various harmful substances into the environment which damage it. It can lead to various cardiovascular and respiratory diseases. It can also aid climate change as well as lead to the loss of biodiversity. As you all know that factories and industries are one of the major causes of air pollution. So, to neutralize the effect of that air pollution with the help of neutralization reactions, I, Aaryav, am here with my model, the eco-friendly smokeless chimney. The eco-friendly smokeless chimney is an innovative idea which helps to reduce the air pollution which is caused by the factories. This idea is based on simple neutralization reactions, according to which when an acid and base combines, this leads to the formation of salt and water. Okay, so these are the features of our model. First of all, there are chimney slates which have holes in them. These holes are to allow the upward movement of the air as well as they are placed strategically so that they intercept the flow of the various harmful gases. Next, an absorptive substance like cotton is placed on our slates. This is soaked in calcium hydroxide, which is a very strong base. As you know that most of the emissions are acidic, so this base will help to neutralize those emissions. And lastly, there are the neutralization reactions. So let's imagine that sulfur dioxide is coming up from the chimney. As it moves up, it will come in contact with cotton along with the calcium hydroxide that it has absorbed. So an acid and a base are together. So this will lead to a neutralization reaction. As a result, calcium sulfite and water will be formed. This demonstrates that how can a harmful pollutant like sulfur dioxide can be neutralized in order to form a harmless substance like calcium sulfite. Now you might be thinking, when the absorptive material is removed, the calcium is deposited somewhere and this would harm the environment. Actually, this is not the case. Calcium salts are the salts that have the least toxicity and so they don't pollute or do any harm to the environment. So let's see that how our model is practical. It is not in theory. First of all, the perforated slates. These slates can be made from the same material as that of the chimney, ensuring compatibility as well as durability with the industrial material. Next, the absorptive material like cotton can be replaced with other advanced materials like that of activated carbon. These materials are specially designed to absorb the acidic substances and the salts which are produced by them. Next, our model is also adaptable. This shape is not fixed. The shape can be modified. Also, if some other company finds it feasible to use any other base that has a higher capacity to neutralize, it can use that substance. For example, we have used calcium hydroxide here. But if a company is okay with using the costly sodium hydroxide, then it can definitely use that. Next, our model is cost effective. So calcium hydroxide is only available at 7.5 rupees per kilogram, while these slates are from the same material as that of the chimney. So it is very inexpensive. Lastly, we need to know what are the potentials of our model. First of all, our model will help to reduce the air pollution. That is the major cause for which we have made this model. This will further lead to improvement of health status and life expectancy of the various people. Also, this will help to promote biodiversity. Along with this helps us to reach the sustainable development goals. The goal 3, good health and well-being, and goal 13, which is climate action. And lastly, the innovative industry and infrastructure goal can also be easily acquired with the help of these type of chimneys. And so now I would like to conclude that air pollution is one of the major causes due to which we will need to suffer in our future. And so to stop that, we urge the various factories and industries to use our innovative idea for a better, cleaner and more sustainable future.